I'm going to be showing how to make this heart keychain that says "Love you, Mom" on it, and you'll be able to customize it with what you want it to say. So we'll start with the OnShape software, and we'll start with a sketch and click on the top plane. And to snap to the top plane, we'll click on the little box and click the top right here. And for starters, we're going to make our construction line, which will help us later when we mirror the half of the heart that we do. Usually the construction line will go right down this axis. So it's right down the middle. And then to end the line, just press escape. And for the heart, we're going to start with a spline. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time, because you'll be able to, like here, let me show you. This isn't a perfect heart, but once you get to this point, just press escape. And you'll be unselect the spline tool, and you'll be able to move the heart to how you want it to look. I think that's good enough. So now I will mirror using the mirror tool, and it'll ask me to select the line that we made earlier. So click on the line, and then you're going to click on the half of the heart that you've already made. And then ta-da, a whole heart. So from this point, you'll unselect the mirror tool, and you're going to go over here to extrude, and you'll click on the heart, and instead of extruding it to 25, put 2.5. And just like that, there's the heart. Now, to get this shell feature on the heart, we're going to go to the shell tool, click on the heart. Instead of having the shell thickness at 2.5, we'll put it to 2. Just press enter and the green check mark. And now for the words, we'll start another sketch, but this time we'll start the sketch on the inside part of the heart, since there's a little indent now in the heart. Click back on the top plane to snap it into place. And we go to the text box, and you'll be able to make that the length of the text however you want. Just type in what you want. So for now, I'll just type in what I type in the other part. And generally, you're going to want to do all of the texts first before you start organizing them. Well, putting them into place. You can make it say anything you want. I'm just using this as a default. But now you're going to want to go to the dimension tool and dimension this one to 22. Just click on the top line to dimension it. And this one as well to 22. And then get the dimensions out of the way by dragging them up and dragging this one down. And for the U, you can leave it just as it is. Unselect the dimension tool. And now to get these in line, you're going to click on the center dot right here. And you're going to click on the center dot with the heart. And you're going to go up here and click this little arrow and vertical. So that way it snaps into place. And you're going to do, and it's going to automatically select the vertical tool, so you won't have to click the drop down box again. So just click the center part and the center of the heart, and then vertical. and then into place it goes, and do the same for the last one. Now that you have that sketch done, you can extrude it, but this time you're going to select remove, since you're going to be wanting to make an indent into the heart. Instead of 25, put 0.5. And now you're almost done. All you just need is the keychain part. So you're going to start another sketch, click on the top plane, and go to the circle tool and make 2 circles. You're going to want the first circle to be inside of the heart. And the second circle, you're going to want it to not be into this part of the heart, but on this edge. And then I just dimension them as so. The inner part of the circle, you'd want to be 3 less than the outer part. And now you go to the extrude tool. Click this, and it's going to be add again. And it's going to be 2.5. So that matches up with the rest of the heart. And then just like that, you have the heart keychain.